Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use and create templates in Asana's free plan. First, use a pre-made template. Create a new project. Click Browse Templates at the top. A gallery opens. Find one like Meeting Agenda. Click Use Template. A new project is created with tasks and sections ready. Rename and customize it. Now, create your own template. Build a project you want to reuse. Add all sections, tasks, and subtasks. Add due dates and descriptions. When ready, click the project name at the top. Select Save as Template. A window pops up. Name your template, like Client Onboarding. Add a description. Click Save. Your template is saved. To use it, create a new project. Click Browse Templates. At the gallery top, click My Templates. Find your new template and click Use Template. A fresh copy is created for you. And that's it. You've used a built-in template. You created your own from a project and reused it to save time. If this helped you work faster, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.